Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a driver to your Tesla Model Y. First, you'll want to be inside your vehicle and have the touchscreen active. Tap on the Controls icon, which is usually located at the bottom left of the screen. From there, find the Safety tab and give it a tap. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up a new driver profile, ensuring a personalized experience for everyone. Once you're in the driver profile section, you'll see an option to add new driver. Tap this to start. The system will prompt you to enter a name for the new profile. Make it something clear and easy to identify. After naming it, you can then adjust the seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors to the new driver's preferred positions. This ensures their settings are saved for future use. After adjusting the physical settings, make sure to tap Save on the screen. This action permanently links those preferences to the new driver's profile. You can also customize other driving preferences, such as the acceleration mode or steering feel, to match their style. For added convenience, consider linking a specific key fob or phone key to this new profile, allowing the car to automatically adjust when that key is detected. To switch between drivers, simply tap the driver profile icon on the touchscreen. A list of saved profiles will appear. Select the name of the driver you wish to activate, and the Model Y will automatically adjust the seat, steering wheel, and mirrors to their saved preferences. This makes sharing your Tesla effortless and ensures everyone enjoys their personalized driving experience with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.